A video showing members of a Celestial Church choir singing Burna Boy's Lambo freestyle in church has gone viral. The song, originally composed by Burna Boy in response to Sophia Igweje's claims about an unfulfilled promise, was used by the choir to taunt a member who missed rehearsal. The incident has sparked debate among social media users about whether such a behavior is appropriate in a church setting. In the viral video, a female choir member attempted to join her colleagues in the choir section, but they blocked her from entering. Instead, they sang Burna Boy's Lambo freestyle while dancing and making faces at her. Their reason: she had failed to attend rehearsal but still wanted to sing during service. The embarrassed woman eventually walked away.
If you don't come practice,
The video has drawn mixed reactions online. Some criticized the choir members, saying it was inappropriate to mix secular songs with church activities. Others defended the choir, saying they were simply joking around and having fun during practice. This is not the first time a white garment church has made headlines. Nigerian celebrities like Don Jazzy and Regina Daniels have been seen attending services in similar churches. However, the viral video of the Celestial Church choir singing a secular song has ignited conversations about the influence of pop culture in religious spaces. While some see it as a harmless fun, others believe it is disrespectful. What do you think? Drop your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.